Every man needs porridge in the morning to have strength through the whole day.
Hasta la vista, baby.
So today is the final table of Ethnic Booker 2. So it is time to dress up nice. Let's get on the ironing job.
Ma võtsin praegu kokteili just siis mul stacki juures ilusti.
We're experiencing life, but in 1 minute time we're gonna have fireworks here as well. I'm really grateful. I cannot be any more happier than I am right now. So stoked for being alive, as we all are.